Hello everyone, and welcome back to Slime Rancher. And this is part 10, I believe. So hope you guys like this video, and I'll just keep on making videos if you guys like these videos. I like making videos for you guys, is what I love to do. Go. Already took a lot of the plorts, so I don't know if there's much left over here. Reading those, alright. 3, 4, there we go. Alright, there we go, there we go, there we go. Whoops. There we go. Whoops. Ow, why? Oh boy. See if there's any more plorts up here that I can take. Yep, more plorts. Right there. Just need one more and I have all the plorts I need for the pink plorts. I can't get any more than that, but that's fine by me. There we go, there we go, there we go. We go back to my place. I guess, since they're here and all that. There we go. There we go, there we go, there we go. Woohoo! 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 Alright. Is that a boom plort right there? That's not right, that was. Alright, let's go over here, go around. There we go. Mouse back real quick so I'm too far away. Control it. Alright. Alright. Let's go back over here. Oh boy. Run, 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 run. Go. Go. Great. There's one over there to make any more already. Oh, I love them here. There's one right there. Alright. Alright. Whoops. Go. Go. Out of my way. And you ate it, didn't you? Of course. Get real quick if I want. There we go. Look, stay away from me. Did Bro gonna go after me or something? If so, that would be horrifying. Whoops. There's nothing I can do anymore. They're conceding everything. Because that's pretty much all I can carry now. Alright. They follow me? Why? Why are they following me? They're eating everything. No. Try and get these real quick. Real quick. Get to me now. They're getting to me already. Oh boy, I need to get out of here. Oh boy, that was crazy. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. That was pretty good if you ask me. Pretty good start and all that. Without all the craziness going on and all that. Alright. Go back out here and all that. Oh boy. Those slimes are crazy. The evil ones, I meant to say. You know what I mean? Oh, whoops. There we go. There we go. There we go, there we go, there we go. There we go. Do this real quick. It's crazy how the value increases and decreases. It's crazy. It's like real life, where if you get too much of something, it decreases in value. I believe in sometime a few years ago, I think like 5-8 years ago maybe, copper used to have a really high, melt value pretty much. Like I mean, for Silvactor, I think was almost $5 for I think an ounce of copper in like 2013 or 2015, somewhere around there. I believe it was like a really high melt value. I heard from someone else though, but. It sounds crazy that if that's true, that's just crazy that it probably used to be that high. Oops. Go. Oh darn it. I'm eating the fruit. No. No fruit. I'm not gonna take care of my own slimes. Well, I might need them later if I find no one. I remember now one of those big slimes. If I find no one of those big ones, I might have to. But other than that, I'm not going to do it for any other reason. Hello, Axe. That's our dog we had for a couple years. your new one, because our one's passed away a couple years ago. Alright. Oh boy. I'm dying, I'm stupid. Trying to get one more of those. You know what? Fail. Run. Started getting all haywire. Whoops. I don't need those anymore. Alright. Alrighty. Alright. There we go. I don't think I need anything in here, I don't think, because it shouldn't be anything too crazy in here since I just came back. Tabby ports, I don't need any of those at the moment though. So I'll go up here real quickly and get more ports over here. This is my method, it's not a good slime rancher. I've never been really that good at taking care of pets anyways. There we go. There we go. Not gonna make any more ports for me or anything. More slime plorts. No. Come on. More slime plorts, please. More of those honey ones. I don't think they're gonna make any anymore. Oh, there's some. Go. More slime plorts. Go. I'm just fighting over the slime plorts. It's crazy. Because everything though, I don't think I see any more slime plorts. Only ones anyways. There's plenty of the gold on the setting of the pink ones. That's all they're gonna make, I think. I don't think they're gonna make any more, really. I don't think I really have to worry about them changing or anything because there's not really any other things they can eat to turn them into something else. I believe it's two different plorts that that are not related to them to turn into those monsters. I believe what I remember from the last game, what I call and all that, for gameplay and all that. There we go. Probably all I'm gonna get. I don't think there's much to do to get more. Oh, there's so many of them. Holy. As I say, there's not many more. There's already more. It's just... what's going on? What's going on here? This is crazy. Crazy. Crazy in a good way, though. Alright. I think they ate everything, so I don't want any more from them. I think this time I'm gonna I'm pretty sure they're just out of it. Not making any more because they think they're out of food to make more and all that. Go. go. That was a little hard. I don't know why it was a little hard, but it was just a little bit difficult to get those. I don't know why. Boom Quartz, yes, my favorite. Because I know they have a pretty reasonable value all the time. Boom Quartz, awesome. Oh, no. No! Just noticed it and I failed. I failed even more. I'm just underwater and I can't get out until I find a way to get out, which stinks, and I can't pick up things. I remember from my other videos and all that. Just don't go too deep, Andy. Oh boy. I think that's probably all I'm gonna get here now. So that's a good haul, I'd say. Oh, this one. That should be a good haul for this very purpose. Go back to this. Shoot him out. Oh, whoops, sorry about that. No, it's out of control at the moment. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. I believe I'll end it here as well, guys. Hope you guys liked this video, and I believe this was Slime Rancher Part 10. And I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.